Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have an opening from Wipro and also one from the Accenture to discuss. So, please do watch this video to the very end to know about it. So, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So, while you activate the bell icon, please enable the option all so that you will get the notifications regarding any kind of video that we upload. Okay. So let's start with the Wipro itself. So Wipro is hiring for the associates and coming to the eligibility criteria here. Okay, so here comes the details regarding that education and skills required. So bachelor's degree, preferably commerce or accounting, work experience of 0 to 24 months, almost 2 years, 0 to 2 years, then good written and verbal communication skills, working knowledge of computer applications, including Excel and Word, typing speed minimum is 25 words per minute and 90% accuracy. Okay, so this is about the education skill. So they have mentioned its bachelor's degree, preferably commerce or accounting. So this is given the first importance. Other graduates, if you have the knowledge to apply or to go through the job responsibilities and all these things, obviously you can also keep trying for this job. Okay, so now work conditions is mentioned, so let's go through that as well. So before that, we have a course for Wipro, TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, Accenture, which will help you to crack the aptitude and reasoning session. So it have been already started on 27th of November, but it's just an introduction part kind of things have got over. So if you wish to make the registration, you still have the slots available. You can go with the link that I've mentioned in the description for that. So 10 years question paper discussion is what is the main agenda of that. So if you have a close look on to this online assessment, the pattern of the examination keeps on repeating. So if you know the syllabus, if you know how to solve with using shorthand tricks, then obviously we can crack them easily. Okay, so if you wish to go apply for that, please to apply it at the earliest so that you don't will not miss any kind of chances. And one more thing is that when you are applying for any of the online assessment, any of the job, any of the selection process, please to make sure you prepare enough with any source, because if you miss that opportunity, then you can't apply for the same company for 3 to 6 months with respect to the company policy. Okay, so whole of this package is available to you at just rupees 199. It includes the video recordings, materials, then live Q&A session, doubt clearing sessions, everything. So please go with the link that I've mentioned in the description to register for the same. So now let's come back to the Wipro opening. So here the work condition is flexibility to work 24/7 shift timings, occasional extended work hours to meet business needs, mobility across client teams, willingness to sign a service agreement at joining and before every overseas or travel or assignments or training. Okay, so this is the work condition. You must be available 24/7 shift timings or whatever. So if you can just go through these roles and responsibilities: passion for results, client centricity, then effective communication, collaborative working, problem solving and decision making, learning agility, execution excellence. So these are the things that they want. So if you are okay with it, then any kind of degree graduates can apply it in here. So to apply for that, you can click on this apply button, and you need to go with a mail. Okay, provide your mail ID, then accept the terms and conditions. After that, proceed. So this is the form that you have to fill: your personal information, your resume, contact details, then your education details. If you have any work experience, that also you can provide, but that is not mandatory. So freshers, you can completely skip this section, and after that, submit the profile. So this is about the opening in Wipro. I mean, the application process, everything. So now coming to the CTC details, obviously the starting salary for the freshers in Wipro is around 3.2, 3.3 plus LPS. So according to the experience criteria that you're having, it may vary. Okay, so this is about the average CTC provided. So that's about Wipro. Next, we have an opening from Accenture to discuss. So Accenture is hiring for the business operations associative. So job description, they have given it pretty details. We can just go through that as well. Now coming to the qualifications, that is the basic qualification criteria. Bachelor's degree required. So it is basically for UG students. It's applicable for you. And professional qualification, that is the eligibility or the required expertise. Okay, that will be provision in MS Office, expertise in MS Excel and MS PowerPoint, excellent skill in written and oral communication in English, ability to take initiative and operate with minimum supervision, natural ability to operate with a high level of energy, commitment, and motivation, build strong stakeholder relationship, and manage expectations for high volume, fast turnaround results. Okay, so this is about the eligibility criteria. So to know more about the openings and all details, you can just click on this and know more about them. So this is about it. And to apply for this, you can click on this apply button and continue. So here you need to log in to the Accenture career. So if you have already a profile, then you can click on these, just give the credentials and log in, else you can just start your application by signing up. That is provided it in here. So you need to give your personal information, contact details, your education details, and upload your resume as well. So this is the process for this. And coming to the CTC provided too, in Accenture also, P plus LPS is a salary provided. So this is average. So the freshers, it will be for you. And now coming to the batch criteria, who can apply for that? Obviously 90, 20, 24 students can apply. It's opening, which is a kind of immediate journey. Like they are taking the people who have completed the graduation. So it is for them. So it's a very good, bright opportunity. It is not core into not technical, or it's not completely non-technical. It's both of them stand in between, and any kind of graduates can also take that. That's what I meant by it doesn't fall under technical or non-technical. So whoever students who can take above the responsibilities, you can apply it, because they haven't mentioned like this is the only criteria, this is only branch can apply it in here. They just mentioned preferably, that will be good, and others who have the knowledge, that also can apply. So this is for any graduate, any batch criteria, like 2019, 2021 will be the current like batches going. But with the good knowledge, then if you are from other branches to other branches and other batches, 1870 whatever, and you do have the relevant proofs to withstand or to show that the job description do fit for you, then obviously you can also try applying to this. Okay, so this is about the jobs that we have today. So if you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. Suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.